Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Just to start off with, I just wanted to show you, one of the viewers has asked to see the dried piece of my previous video, and as you can see, this is dry and no cracks. That's what she was wanting to know, but yes, it came out beautifully. So I've gone ahead and covered my canvas in black. And my inspiration for this, I've been wanting to do it for a very long time. I've actually, let me just torch this. I have actually bought this little doodad. I think it's like a little egg lifter or something, I'm not sure, maybe a little cake lifter or something like that. But I bought it months and months ago with the intention of doing this. My inspiration has come from Sarah Mack, although we're going to be using different tools and doing it a little bit differently. So I've gone ahead and laid down Mars Black. And the colours I have today that I'm going to be using is my Deco Art Ice Blue, and I've got some blue that I had made up for probably one of the cloud pours that I thought I'd need to use up, as well as the navy blue which was left over. I have the red and this beautiful magenta colour. It's bright magenta, I think that's what it's called. And just using some white as well. So I'm going to start off with putting down some paint. I'm just wondering, so I haven't done this yet. This is the first time I'm doing it. So I'm just trying to figure out which is the best way to go about it. So this is an experiment, and let's see how it turns out. So I think I'm going to go in with some of the brights first. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, so not very big, but always good for a start. I don't really need too much paint. I might go in with this darker blue now. It's actually so dark it's almost black. And a light blue if it's going to ever come out. And I might just put a little bit more white. I love this pink. So all my paints are mixed as I normally do, and that would be 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol, and I have added a little bit of water for consistency, but you guys will figure it out of you know how much water to add. You really want the consistency to be run off the stick, create a little mound, and then sort of disappear after a couple of seconds. Right, I'm going to go back in with this blue because I just absolutely love this blue. This ice blue is just absolutely beautiful. Right, I think that's about about enough for now. I have a feeling I've gone a bit more too far this side. I probably should have brought it in a bit more. Okay, here goes. Wish me luck. Ooh. So my plan is to flip it this way and then flip it that way. So let's see how that goes. It's yeah, right down to the canvas, which is expected. And then I think what I'll do now is let me tilt it first. Wow, it's looking pretty. I don't really want to lose what's going on up there, so I'm just going to put back some black paint, otherwise it's just going to roll over itself. Okay, let's go. I'm laughing because I'm looking at the section at the top here, which I'll show you just now. It kind of looks like a big shark mouth. Oh, and there's a heart. Beautiful heart. Come on, cups. I really love these colors. And I am going to adjust it a bit. So I've got some beautiful stuff going on here. So I think if I can get it off, might just try and place it here somehow. Yeah, that's looking very nice. Okay, I'm not going to do that yet. So I have these little doodads. It's sucker paint. So what I'd like to do is, let's get some of this nice pink. The only thing about using these little doodads is when they run out of paint, they create trouble. They make like little blobs. We don't like blobs. I don't want to put too much of this pink in around here. Because I do feel like it has got quite a bit already. But just to highlight the areas, some of the areas that have the pink. So I want to just put some more of this blue. Yeah. I must say, it's really looking beautiful. I might put just a little bit in here just to bring up some of that colour. Great. So I'm going to give it a torch and then I'll bring you in for a closer look. I might actually just add some little drops. Yeah, that's really bringing it out quite well. I think when your paint, it's very important to have the same consistency throughout. So I might put some along here. Looks really nice. It doesn't really help that I shake a lot. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. Alright guys, I really love this piece. Look at that there. It kind of looks like a shark's mouth or something. And I like that these parts over here, it's really nice. Actually, I'll put that light off. Might be better. Yes, I love all these little bits and pieces in between. Got some cell action and really pretty colours. I'm very impressed with that ice blue again. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like I don't know what it is, a bunny rabbit or a, yeah, I'm not too sure. Oh, maybe a little lamb or something. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I am going to be doing a lot more of this kind of artwork and pause. Comment below, what do you think? What are your thoughts on it? Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.